What if I told you with one decision you can change your confidence? You can change your life. Sounds impossible, but watch this video till the end. So here I present SMB English. Guys, SMB English देखना है आ जाओ दिखा दूंगा. Guys, welcome to the just see the environment. Here you will find so much plants, greenery, so much beautiful environment. Guys, with this greenery you will find peace, you will find everything. With knowledge you will find everything in the SMB English. Guys, here you don't learn English only, you learn how to build your personality. Guys, this is our class. Just see the logo and greenery here. Let's come into the class. I am taking you to the one of the best institute, one of the best class where you will find energy, where you will find confidence. So let's go. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning. Yes.
How are you guys?
I'm fine. What about you?
I am very fine. Guys, just see the beautiful response of these students. Guys, they are disciplined. They are confident. They can do anything in life. They speak English. Guys, here you will find so much thing. Here you will find discipline. There are so much rule and regulation. In this class you cannot speak Hindi. In this class only you can speak English. That there is a board, you can just cameraman show the board. If you will speak Hindi, you will be fined 5 rupees. And if you will found speaking local language, you will be charged 10 rupees. This is what a harsh rule. So if you want to come and learn with this rule, you can easily learn English. So here I present you one of the biggest, one of the best tutor of English, Mr. Basar sir. So cameraman, please come with me. Let's have a talk with our sir. Sir, I am from SME blog. So what do you want to say to my viewers, to my audience?
What should I say? Share this videos actually, okay? Because everyone must know about it. In Begusaraye,
Yes, sir.
Students can speak English, and speaking English is not a tough thing. Everyone can speak English. What the matter is what we should understand how to do this thing.
Sir, I have a very good question for you. That it is in long. I am sorry.
Okay, please continue.
From a
Yeah.
long time, I have this question in my mind that I
Okay.
want to ask from you.
Alright.
What is the motive to start this class in the corner of the city?
See, I have been in Delhi, and there I found language was the biggest barrier for the students of Bihar. Okay, in private sector, all the interviews, okay, go on in English only,
Yes, sir.
and without English you cannot crack any interview. Okay, if you want to work in service industry, if you want to work in banking, okay, if you want to work in retail, everywhere English is spoken, and in English interviews are done. And then when I returned to Bihar, and I found this was missing in Begusaraye, and I found this must be the best opportunity for me and as well as for the students of Begusaraye. And you know, Bihari can do everything if they are given right direction actually.
Yes,
so
sir.
this is how we started, okay, SMB English in Bihar.
This is what the motto of SMB English. Guys, just see, sir wants to break the language barrier. So, if you want to learn English, please come to SMB. It is in the Taimuddin Lane, and come to SMB and learn English very faster. With this, sir, what is your technique? How do you teach your student?
See, there is no any rocket science for learning any language actually.
Yes, sir.
चाहे आप हिंदी सीखो या इंग्लिश सीखो, कोई भी लैंग्वेज सीखो, उसको सीखने के लिए सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट होता है कि आपको इन्वायरमेंट क्रिएट करना है.
Yes, sir.
As we learned Hindi language, how did we learn? Did we go to any school or colleges or any universities or any institution for learning Hindi? No. We learned it by listening to our parents, by listening to our surroundings, okay, because we have the environment of Hindi language, okay. So I just did very simple thing. I tried to make the environment, okay, and people responded very positively. And today, a lot of speakers are there in this center in Begusrai who can speak English in front of anyone.
Yes, sir. I have seen your channel. In channel, you do lots of activities, like you make dramatized video, you do debates. So I want to see the response of your student. I want to see that debate in live class. Can we do that? Is
Why
it
not?
possible?
Why not? We can do the debate, okay? And once I will tell them to do debate, they can do it, okay? So can I have a, or maybe all the students can do debate, okay? Okay, you're sitting with your friends, okay? You can do debate with them. A topic, any topic you can take, okay? And the topic maybe today, should pension be given to the, retired government employees, okay? Normally government employees have the pension. Is it good to give pension? You can talk to each other, you can talk. Can you talk to your partner, okay, sitting besides you? Please talk with her. You talk with her. Everybody can talk. 2 minute के लिए can start, okay? All right, please loud. यहीं पे बैठ के
Sir, I have talked with the student.
कंटिन्यू तुम लोग कर लो. Please continue everybody. हाँ.
I have talked with the student. I found that they are master of English. They are speaking English very fluently. So, what do you feel how that you are making an impact in your city? So, what do you feel about you?
Actually, everyone, whatever talent you have, everybody has some unique qualities, okay? And even I have this quality, I can make people understand about English, okay? So that quality is useless if you are not able to contribute that, actually, if you are not able to share with other people. So I just do my duty, and I'm just doing my duty, and I'm sharing what I know, and this is creating a big change in our society. People are able to speak English with my small effort, actually. I'm not doing big thing, but I'm doing a small thing, and I will do it with my pride, actually.
Thank you, sir, for this beautiful statement. So, guys, just see the student how they are responsive. That even with one single command, they started the debate. They started talking in English. This is
Everyone,
what
please talk.
feel. So,
Talk.
guys, if you want to have a good conversation, if you want to crack your interviews in outside wherever you want, and if you want to be fluent in English, so please come SMB English. So if you like this video, please subscribe and share it with everyone so that it can be reached to everyone and everyone can come. And if you like this video, like, share and subscribe. Till then, peace out.